Hi everyone, my name is Stacia Varga, and welcome to my course, Building Multidimensional Models in SSAS. I work with data all the time as a consultant, helping my clients use and understand their data, and as an instructor and author, teaching people how to build data solutions and work with data effectively. Analysis Services Multidimensional Models is a very long but official way to refer to cubes on the SQL Server platform. On the one hand, cubes are an old technology. I've been building them for over 20 years myself, but on the other hand, they're still around for a good reason, because cubes are much better than relational database technology when it comes to enabling users to ask and answer a series of questions in quick succession. This course is going to show you how to think about your data in the context of these types of questions before you start building a cube, and then lead you through the basic development steps and management tasks. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include source data preparation, key development tasks, important features related to query performance and storage efficiency, and ongoing data management tasks. By the end of this course, you'll be able to use your own data sources to create a multidimensional model in Analysis Services. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with relational database technology and how to write and execute SQL queries. Afterwards, you can continue your learning with more advanced courses at Pluralsight on tuning, managing, and securing Analysis Services multidimensional models. Come join me on this journey to learn about cube development with the Building Multidimensional Models in SSAS course at Pluralsight.